Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to create Instagram account or open or make a new Instagram account. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, choose and open Google Play Store. So first of all, in this here write and search Instagram. After that, install Instagram app and then open it, and in this I can see my another Instagram account, but in this time I can easily create or make or open a new Instagram account. So let's see how to do that. After that, you can see create new account, so click on it, create new account. What's your mobile number? Enter the mobile number on which you can be contacted. No one will see this on your profile. And remember, you may receive WhatsApp and SMS notification from us for security and login purpose. After that, you can see mobile number, and in this here write your Instagram account mobile number. Are you trying to log in? This number is associated with an existing account. You can log into it or create a new account with a new password. After that, you can see log into an existing account and then create new account. In this time, you can choose and open create new account. Confirm your account automatically with a phone call. You will need to allow Instagram the following permissions. Manage phone calls. Will call your mobile number and in the call automatically access call logs. Will check to confirm that you received the call. After that, you can see next or confirm with the code. In this time, I can choose next, click on it. Allow Instagram to access your phone call logs. After that, choose allow and then again choose allow. What's your date of birth? And in this time, you can choose and select your date of birth. After choose and select your date of birth, and then you can choose set. After that, choose next. What's your name? After in this here write your Instagram account full name. After that, choose next, click on it. Create a username, add a username or use our suggestion. You can change this at any time. Remember, after that you can choose next, click here. Agree to Instagram terms and policies. After that, choose I agree. Add a profile picture. After that, you can see add picture or skip. In this time I can choose and open add picture. Add picture, choose from gallery, take photo. So in this time I can choose and open choose from gallery. You can see in this time I can choose and select my Instagram account profile picture. After that, I can choose done, click on it. Choose next. Allow Instagram to access your contacts. You can choose allow. Choose continue. You can see in this time I can easily create Instagram account or create Instagram ID, and in this way you can easily create or open or make Instagram account or Instagram ID. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.